Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I got an order in from Miss Liz Russell, and it was a Destash, so it came in today, and I thought I'd share it with you all. She's got some great items from her Destash. This is my first time purchasing from Miss Liz, and I've seen her stuff, all gorgeous, and let me share with you all what came in this kit. At the moment she was selling 5 kits, I believe, or 5, yeah, I don't know what they're called, but this, let me pull it all out. I don't want to flip my envelope because it has her information on there, so just want to get what I can. Alright, we got everything. Okay. Alright, so here we have, I believe this is, what is this collection? I thought I knew, but I don't. Yeah, I don't know, I don't remember. But the chipboard came, it's a little bent up basically because it went through the mail, but it's fine, we can work with it. None of the good vibes, that's what that is, good vibes. So that's the collection we're looking at. And we've got, I think it's the collection as far as what she had left. So we have the puffy stickers, they're kind of puffy. And we have the 12x6 double-sided, so pretty much the 12x12, you know, regular cardstock stickers. And then the 12x12 chipboard stickers. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. Yeah. And then she has, well, I have it now. The Good Vibes 6x6 paper pad. Oh my goodness, love, love, love. And then here are the Good Vibes ephemera kit. Oh goodness, 5 cork pieces, and yeah, it's 45 pieces total. So that's everything, and I'm sure everybody's familiar with Good Vibes. I'm sorry for the lighting. We got 4 frames. Yep, 4 frames for the Good Vibes collection. And then I wanted to show you the cards that come in this set. So you got some of the llamas, the cork. I remember it having a lot of cork. And then the floral print with the little bird. Yeah, super cute. And these are all blanks, so you can do whatever you want. The cacti, I love this print for some reason, the black and white. And then you got the pink with the, like, that's like the 80s prints, you know? And then the ampersands. And then I love this one also, the gold with the white leaf. And then these little colors, stripes. There's the black and white, I love that. And then these are just the envelopes that go with the collection, or with the cards, I'm sorry. And then, of course, I'm backwards, so obviously here's the card from Miss Liz. Look at these little furry friends right there. You got a fox, a raccoon, and a bunny. So pretty, so cute. I'm just going to read this real quick. And, oh, look at this card. So pretty. It's a rose. It's like you can see the edge, over the edge prints. Oh, it says, "Hi Eileen, thank you so much for helping me. Destash, enjoy your goodies, Liz Russell." Beautiful card. Oh my god. I love that. Love, love, love. So that was a great Destash. It came pretty quick, you know. As usual, when you do these Destashes, you can only claim it if you pay it right away. So if you want something in a Destash, I suggest you know, when you see it, get it if you can get it at the time. But, you know, there's no telling, if you come back to it, it might not be there after that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.